So, what is mitosis? Mitosis is a type of cell division in eukaryotic cells that results in two genetically identical daughter cells from a single parent cell. It is required for growth of cells, repair of tissues, and asexual reproduction in plants. Note, it does not occur in animal cells. Now, there are 4 phases of mitosis, which is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Now, in prophase, chromatin condenses into visible chromosomes, and the nuclear envelope begins to break down. Each chromosome has 2 sister chromatids joined at the centromere. Now, it's important to remember that two upper chromatids are going to be shorter and the other one's going to be longer. You'll see what I mean when I draw the diagram. And the spindle fibers come from the centrioles, so the centrioles start to move to the opposite poles. By metaphase, the centrioles have already reached the poles, and so the spindle fibers begin to form. Along with that, the most important thing, the chromosomes start to line up at the cell's equator. And at this phase, the spindle fibers begin to join at the chromosome's centromere's kinetochore. That's very important for the next phase that we're about to look at, which is anaphase. Now, in anaphase, the spindle fibers connected to the kinetochores pull the sister chromatids apart towards the opposite poles of the cell. Each chromatid is now considered a separate chromosome. And so, in telophase, the nuclear envelopes reform so that cell division can occur. By telophase, the chromosomes condense back into chromatin and the spindle fibers disappear. And this next phase, called cytokinesis, occurs simultaneously with telophase. It's when the cytoplasm divides, forming 2 separate daughter cells. In animal cells, it forms a cleavage furrow, but in plant cells, a cell plate forms to divide the cells.